passive income. Bye. What's going on, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? If you don't know by now, I'm here to promote Sticker. Sticker is a company that pays you every month to drive around with this big ass sticker on your car. Now, it ain't much, I'm not gonna lie, it's probably about a good $20 to $30. But you refer somebody, that's 23 extra per person. So, bye. Click on the link in the description down below. Let's get this money. What are you waiting for? Bye. Sticker.
What should you do next? So it's 7:30. Did you say Carissa was just sort of in her room and happened to do this, or was
she was in her room.
Sleep, or is she up still? I mean, what time is her bedtime?
Her bedtime is like around 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Okay, that's fine. And has she been eating and drinking like just normally today?
Yes.
Okay. And when was the last time she ate or drank anything?
Around 1.
Oh, okay. So would you be getting ready to give her like a late dinner or something, or what do you have on the agenda right now?
Yeah, I was on the way to get her late dinner.
That's fine. So let's go ahead with dinner as normal, whatever that includes, and then just let the next hour or hour and a half unfold as normal. It is possible this might upset her stomach a little bit, but that's certainly not a dangerous effect. It's not a sign of anything bad or harmful happening. But if she were to seem cranky or fussy, or if she were to verbalize to you that she had a little bit of an upset stomach, that's totally normal.
Good, baby? Baby? Baby. Well, that's pretty much it.